Hey guys, welcome back to CS Corner. Guys, in this video, I will be showing you the extension required for running Claude Code in VS Code. So guys, before installing extension, make sure that you have installed Claude Code and Ollama in your system. If you don't have this installed in your system, do follow my video. I have given link in description box, or you can click on I button. So guys, let's start the video. So now here I have just started my VS Code, and here guys, I'm just opening one of the folder. So here I'm just selecting option from file menu, open folder, and I'm just selecting one of my folder, test folder. I'm clicking on select folder option. It's asking me whether you trust this folder. I'm clicking yes button, and now I'm going to this extension tab, and here I'm going to search one of the extension Claude Code, and you can see it's showing extension Claude Code for VS Code and provided by Anthropic. Okay, and here is the install button. So guys, I'm going to click on this install button. So it will ask me, do you trust the publisher? Yes, I'm going to click on yes button. Now here installation of Claude Code is done. You can see install, it is showing, and at the top right guys, you can see it's showing Claude Code open. Okay, so that means my Claude Code has been installed successfully. So now what I will do, I will just go to my folder here, and also I will click on this Claude Code option. So guys, you can see it's asking me subscription, Claude AI subscription, Anthropic, or Bedrock, or some other subscription it is asking. So I told you initially that I'm not going to pay anything for it. So you can see at the below we have one option, prefer the terminal experience, run Claude in terminal. So I'm going to select this option, but before that I will go back to Ollama website again, and there I'm going to select model option, and you can see we have so many models available. You can select any of them. I'm just taking this Minimax, and I'm just going to this Minimax model. And if you scroll down, you can see there is application option, and in application we have Claude Code, and this is the code which has been given. We need to simply copy and paste this code on the terminal of Claude. So I've just copied the code. I'm coming back to VS Code, and I'm going to click on this option, run Claude in terminal. Okay, so if you don't want to click on this option, you can open a terminal from VS Code and do this task. So I'm selecting run Claude in terminal, and now you can see my Claude has been started, but it is starting with some of the different model, and I want to change it to model which I have selected, Ollama model. So for that it will ask you certain details, some permission. So just click on yes and allow and everything. So guys, here I'm just pressing Ctrl C, and after that I'm just pasting the command which I have copied from Ollama website, and I'm hitting enter guys. So now here my Claude Code has been launched with Minimax model, which is a model of Ollama and which is free one. Now I can give task to this model and it can work for me. So here guys, I'm simply providing one task to it, that give me system info. So you can see here it's showing me all my system info. So guys, whatever task you want to give, you can just provide over here. So I have just given some of the task. Also I'm giving one coding related task, that create a student management system project in Node.js. So you can see guys, it is creating directory, it is creating file, everything it is doing. In between it is asking some of the permission, so you need to allow for it just by selecting yes. So now here you can see it's showing me different option for student management system, like if you want to add the record, if you want to delete a record, if you want to view the record. So it is doing task for me. So guys, I conclude my video. I hope by following my video you are able to set up your Claude Code in VS Code. So guys, if my video has really helped you, don't forget to hit on like button and share my videos to your friend. And guys, if you have any query, you can put in comment box or reach me through my IG. And guys, I'm having my website. I'm posting lots of tutorial over there. You can certainly visit my website. Guys, all my social media link I'm giving in description box. You can join or follow me there also. And very important for me is your subscription. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive updates from my channel. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye, take care, keep watching and keep learning, guys.